Woodworking, at its core, is more than a craft. It is a philosophy rooted in tradition, function, and the pursuit of quality. As our homes evolve with modern innovations, digital conveniences, and synthetic materials, the role of woodwork projects remains essential, offering a grounding element that connects us to nature, to craftsmanship, and to ourselves. These projects, whether grand or humble, serve as quiet reminders that quality is not a luxury. It is a need deeply woven into how we live and feel in our most personal spaces. Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of wooden project ideas to make money and home decor. So, watch the video until the end to see this beautiful collection and get inspiration. There is something timeless about wood. It is both ancient and ever new, bearing the marks of growth, weather, and life in its grain. When we choose to bring woodwork into our homes, we're not just choosing furniture or decoration. We're choosing a material that speaks of history, endurance, and soul. In an age dominated by disposable, machine-made items, the presence of handmade wooden pieces reminds us of what truly matters: longevity, beauty, and the value of the human touch. The role of woodwork in the home is subtle, yet profound. A well-crafted table, a carved mantelpiece, or a handmade storage box doesn't scream for attention, but it quietly transforms the atmosphere. It brings warmth, texture, and a tactile connection to natural elements. These are not just aesthetic benefits, they directly influence how we feel in a space. Wood has a calming effect, softening sterile interiors, balancing modern elements like glass and metal, and inviting us to slow down. The textures of wood engage our senses in a way no plastic or laminate ever could. Beyond aesthetics, woodworking projects influence the way we use and interact with our spaces. A custom-built bookshelf, for example, turns an unused corner into a personal library. A handcrafted dining table becomes the heartbeat of family dinners and celebrations. Wooden storage solutions bring not only order but elegance to everyday life. These projects elevate the functionality of a home while anchoring it in quality and character. But the essential nature of woodworking goes deeper still. It stands as a counterpoint to the culture of speed and disposability. In woodworking, there are no shortcuts. There is measurement, patience, precision, and care. This process-oriented nature of woodworking mirrors values we yearn for in our lives: mindfulness, presence, and purpose. When we invest in or create woodwork projects, we are making a statement that quality matters, not just in products, but in time and effort and in how we shape the environments that shape us. As we strive to cultivate homes that reflect who we are, woodwork becomes a language of self-expression. No two wooden pieces are alike, just as no two lives are. The natural grain patterns, the joinery details, the finishes, all reflect individual choices and stories. Whether made by hand in a small home workshop or commissioned from a local artisan, each woodwork project tells a story of thoughtfulness and care. Living with these stories enriches our everyday experience. They remind us that beauty does not lie in perfection, but in authenticity. Moreover, the act of woodworking itself has become a form of therapy and growth for many. It is a craft that requires focus, problem-solving, and patience. These qualities build resilience, foster confidence, and even cultivate a sense of spiritual satisfaction. For those who engage in woodworking, whether professionally or as a hobby, it becomes a journey of inner discipline as much as outer creation. The skills honed at the workbench ripple outward into life. The attention to detail, the respect for natural materials, the satisfaction of building something lasting with one's own hands. In this way, woodwork projects extend their role beyond the physical home and into the emotional lives of those who create and live with them. There's a deep pride in pointing to a piece and saying, "I made that," or even simply knowing the name and story of the person who did. In our increasingly digitized world, this tangible connection to creation restores a sense of agency and intimacy that screens and subscriptions can't replicate. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you'll be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. The sustainability of woodworking also contributes to its essential role in today's homes. As concerns about climate change and environmental impact grow, many are turning away from cheaply made furniture that ends up in landfills. Wood, when responsibly sourced, is a renewable material with a lower carbon footprint than synthetic alternatives. Reclaimed wood, in particular, brings history and character to projects while giving new life to old materials. By choosing woodwork, especially custom or handcrafted, we are making an eco-conscious choice that aligns with a more mindful way of living. Even in small spaces, woodwork finds its place. A simple wall-mounted shelf, a wooden planter box on a balcony, or a minimalist coat rack by the entryway can all enhance the organization, mood, and flow of a home. These small touches, when made with care, have an outsized impact. They subtly transform spaces into sanctuaries. They foster appreciation for the small details, the smoothness of a sanded surface, the sound of a drawer gliding open, the weight of a sturdy wooden stool. These are the qualities that make a house feel like a home. Perhaps what is most essential about woodworking is the values it reinforces. It teaches us patience in a rushed world. It rewards precision in a culture that often values quick fixes. It celebrates uniqueness in a time of standardization. And it brings us closer to nature at a moment when many feel increasingly detached. In choosing woodwork for our homes, we are choosing more than style. We are choosing a way of being that values quality over quantity, process over convenience, and depth over surface. For the next generation of homeowners and makers, woodworking also holds educational value. It's an opportunity to teach children how to build, how to respect tools, how to understand materials. In this way, woodwork becomes not just a skill but a legacy, one that passes down knowledge, appreciation, and craftsmanship from one generation to the next. A wooden toy chest made by a grandfather, a bench made by a mother and son together, or a simple frame around a family photo, all these become more than objects. They become keepsakes. They become reminders of time well spent. Woodworking remains essential to the quality of our homes and lives not because it is flashy or trendy, but because it is rooted in principles that endure. It grounds us. It beautifies our space. It enriches our routines. And it gives us something real to hold on to in a world that often feels intangible. Whether you are a craftsman or a connoisseur, a weekend hobbyist or a lifelong artisan, embracing woodworking is to embrace a life shaped by care, authenticity, and intention. These are not just values to admire, they are values to live with, day after day, in the wooden pieces that surround us and support us. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked wooden project ideas to make money and home decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.